Hello friends, Namaskar, Sasrikal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. So as today I'm going to talk about Mars transit in Aries. This is a long transit. In this year, a lot of planets stay in on sign in very long period, like Venus stay in more than 2 months, Mercury stay in more than 2 months. Now it's a Mars turn when Mars stay in Pisces and Taurus for I think 2.5 months, more than that from 16th of August to 22nd of Feb, Mars transit in Aries sign, and from 4th of October, from 4th of October to 14th of November, Mars will be retrograde in Pisces. So I will make a separate video about retrogression of the planet. This video is only for the Mars direct in Aries sign. So guys, you please keep write down the dates of Mars enter in Aries and when Mars retrograde and when Mars again enter in Aries. First date is 16th August 2020 to 10th September 2020. Near about 3 degree Mars goes to retrograde in Aries and then enter in Pisces on 4th October 2020 in retrograde motion, and 14th November 2020 Mars goes to direct in Pisces sign. And then again 24th of December Mars enter in Aries till 22nd of Feb 2021. So this is a very long transit for Mars. So as you know very well, my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign, and my predictions are based on Indian Vedic astrology, nothing to do with Western astrology. So let's talk about Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants being a lord of your first house, Mars transit in your own sign, first house. This is one of the ultimate period for you. You will get a lot of opportunity. You will enjoy a very good health. Your energy level will be on another height, and you will enjoy all type of comforts. Some new opportunity will knock you, which will act like a game changer. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy all type of comforts, and your family will support you. You feel lot of energy, lot of positive energy, and you may start some new venture with someone, because Mars is in first house, will give you lot of strength, and your all vision will be clear. You will enjoy all type of comforts, and if you want to start any new business with someone, this is a very productive time, because some new opportunities will automatically knock you, and you are willing to do this, because Mars is a planet of energy. Mars is a planet of courage, braveness. So when Mars transit in our own sign or own house, like first house in Aries sign, then our native get a lot of positive energy. You will feel a lot of comfortable energy and enjoy a lot of good things, and you will take some major decision related to your business or your job or profession. This is a highly productive period when you will be sky high and when you will be top, and in the terms of your business, profession, and your personal life. But one thing is a little bit dicey in your case for Aries ascendants. Sometime you are getting upset due to some small health issues. Mars may be transit in on sign in first house, but the problem is that Mars is a planet of energy, and when Mars enter in Aries sign is a fiery sign, and Mars is also fiery planet. When two fires together transit, so then you will feel some extraordinary energy, which is turn in your aggression. You will become some stubborn nature. You will feel some stubborn nature, arrogancy nature. You enjoy your life thoroughly, there is no doubt, but your behavior will change with your near and dears, because Mars transit in your Aries sign in first house. This transit will bring a lot of good opportunities, but related to your nature, related to your health, this is a bit better of concern, because Mars is a fiery planet and Aries sign is also fiery sign. So when two fires will transit together, or they when Mars enter in first house in Aries sign, then your energy will be excess. That is not very good. So you need to start worship. You need to start some meditation and worship every day morning before start your day. That will be a very good for you. Otherwise, this Mars transit will act like a game changer for your professional life, for your personal life, as well as your finance, because a lot of money will knock you, a lot of good opportunities will knock you. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants being a lord of your 7th house and being a lord of your 12th house. Mars is going to transit in your 12th house from 16th August to 22nd of Feb 2021. And this whole period, when Mars is in your 12th house, you will be, especially from 16th August to 4th of October, when Mars will be in your 12th house, you will be irritated from your unexpected expenditures. Your relationship with your near dear will be affected. Even your family member may start some demanding nature. You know, you feel your family member may start some demanding nature, and due to that, due to your family member behavior, you are not in a comfort zone. You are always get emotional. You are always get feeling alone, and due to Mars in 12th house, sometimes you feel very aggressive nature. Related to your near and dears and your family. You start fighting with your family members, you start fighting with your friends without any reason, because you are not mentally stable, you are not happy. Work pressure will irritate you. If you are in job, if you are in business, then your work pressure will irritate you. If you are in business, then this is the right time when you get a lot of good order in import exports. And forex money will knock you, there is no doubt. You will get a lot of opportunities from overseas land. But if you are willing to settle in overseas land or finding any job in abroad, then this is one of the wonderful period for you. From 4th October, when Mars enter in Pisces in retrograde motion in your 12th house, your old desires and dreams will be fulfilled, because your 7th lord is in 12th house, 11th house. This is a time when your nearest dearest friend will help you. You will be socializing a lot, and you will spend some quality time with your friends. From 4th October to 14th November, Mars is retrograde in your 11th house, which is very, very good for you. You will enjoy all type of benefits. You get promoted. You will get some additional earning. Money came from multiple sources. You will enjoy your friend circle. You will enjoy your family. And this is a time when you are traveling from far away from your place where you are living right now. And from 14th November, Mars goes to direct motion in your 11th house. This is also very good transit for you. You will enjoy your all comforts. Money knock you from unexpected ways. If you are investing your money in stock market or intraday, you will get bundles of profits, because Mars aspecting is on your 5th house. You will get all type of comforts, enjoyment, and you will enjoy a lot of socializing during this period. And 24th of December 2022, 22nd of Feb 2021, Mars again enter in your Aries sign. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful relationship with your near and dear. Don't try to be a part of any litigation. Don't start arguments with anyone. You will try to dominate your enemies, and you will be successful. Your enemies, they are zero in front of you. But the problem is that due to some extra energy, you're not feeling comfortable. You have a lot of work pressure during that period, and that will irritate you a lot. So now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. For Gemini ascendants, from 16th August to 22nd of Feb 2021, a long transit of the Mars in your 11th house. Gemini ascendants, for you, this is a one of wonderful transit for you in the terms of fulfillment of wishes and desire. First parts from 16th August to 4th of October, when Mars transit in your 11th house in direct and retrograde motion, that is a very good period for you. Your all dreams and desires will be fulfilled. Your elder siblings will support you. Your all wishes will be fulfilled. Whatever you want, you will achieve your milestone. Whatever your wish will be fulfilled. But you need to be careful. Don't trust blindly on anyone, because someone may cheat you in your friend circle, because Mars is not a beneficial planet for the Gemini ascendants. But overall, because Mars transit in your 11th house, this is one of the ultimate placement position, because any planet, if transit in 11th house, it always give up fantastic results. So Gemini ascendants, for you, from 16th August to 4th of October, you will be sky high, you will be top. There is a lot of happy moments you will enjoy. Money came from unexpected source. You can say you will get a lot of finance, you will get a lot of name, fame, prosperity. From 24th December to 22nd of Feb 2021, when Mars again enter in your 11th house, you will enjoy thoroughly. You will get support from higher authority. If you want to interested to any loan from government, your loan will be click. Finances will be excellent. You will have wonderful savings. You will have a long circle of friends. They will help you a lot, they will support you a lot, and you will enjoy your all comforts, and you will spend some quality time with your family and friends. Gemini Ascendant, this Mars transit in 11th house is wonderful for you. But when Mars transit in your 10th house in Pisces sign, you need to be careful while signing any contract in your business or while start any new venture, because that is not a very productive period. Overall, Mars transit in Aries will give you name, fame, prosperity with lot of good image, respect, honor, and you will get full support from your higher authority. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendants. Cancer Ascendants, Mars started transit in your 10th house. Being a lot of your 10th house, transit started in your 10th house from 16th August 2020 to 4th of October 2020. From 16th October 2020 to 10th September 2020, it will be direct, and from 10th September to 4th of October, it will be retrograde in Pisces sign. So first of all, in 10th house, Mars give you a lot of new opportunity related to your business. If you are unemployed, you will get job. If you want to start new business, you may start with someone in partnership, and your business will be in a good direction, in a good side. You will get very good profits in your business. If you already doing any type of business, you will get a lot of good profits, lot of name, fame, prosperity, and unexpected money will knock you. From 4th October, when Mars retrograde in your Pisces sign, enter in Pisces sign in your 9th house, good fortune started smile for you. You will be entering new horizon of your life. Some religious activities seen in your transit. You may travel some religious places, and long distance journeys are also very beneficial for you. You will get in touch with old friends. They are living far away from your place. This is a time when you are entering a new business horizon. This is a time when good fortune start for you. From 4th October to 14th November, Mars will be in Pisces in retrograde motion, and from 14th November it will be direct till 22nd of December. So guys, this whole period will be ultimate for you. Cancer Ascendants, you will be sky high. Mars may be in 10th house, Mars may be in 9th house. Your all desires, your all wishes will be fulfilled. You will earn bundles of money. Your respect will increase, your honor will increase, and your family will support you. Especially relationship with your father will be very good, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts which you never expected. If you are facing any type of depression type of period, if Mahadasha is not supporting you, then this transit will give you a lot of strength, mental strength. But you must start yoga, must start meditation early every day morning. It will be act like a game changer for you. You will feel new energy when Mars enter in your 10th and 9th house. These both house, Kendra or Trikona house, and Mars transit, because Mars is a ruling planet, Mars is a beneficiary planet for Cancer Ascendants. This is one of the ultimate days, a game changer period start for you. You should take advantage of this period and don't miss any opportunity. If any opportunity came your way, or someone knock you for business, from start new business, or someone try to start a new friendship with you related to your business, new business associates will knock you, don't ignore them. One must think about your new partnership deed, because this period will be a highly productive period for you. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendants. Leo Ascendants, Mars transit in your 9th house from 16th April to 4th of October in retrograde motion and direct motion as well. From 16th August to 10th September, it will be retrograde. No, sorry, it will be direct. And from 10th September to 4th of October, it will be retrograde and enter in Pisces on 4th October. So first of all, when Mars is in your 9th house, good fortune started smile for you. Your all pending work will click. You will get a lot of money, and if you already involved in any type of deal which will irritate you or which will delaying the things, that will be execute very easily when Mars enter in your 9th house from 16th August to till 4th of October. This is a highly productive time and beneficial time for you. Your family will support you. You will go for the long journey. There's a strong chances some business related journeys are seen in your transit. If Mars is well placed in your birth chart, then you will surely blessed with hug amount of money. Money will knock you, unexpected money will knock you. There's a lot of chances when you start a new venture with someone near or dear, or someone may give you a good advice. and that will be a very positive advice for you if you apply on your life. From 14th November, Mars will be direct in Pisces in your 8th house till 24th of December 2020. You need to be careful about your health. Don't sign any new contract. Don't involve in any new matters. I again repeat this date, from 14th November to 24th of December 2020. This is not a very productive days for you. Don't involve in any new business. Don't be a part of any new venture. Even try to avoid any type of responsibility, and just concentrate on your things and start yoga or worship. That will be a must for you, and you need to take care of your health. Some stomach related problem will irritate you, and relationship with your in-laws will be affected. And from 24th of December, when Mars again transit in your 9th house in Aries sign till 22nd of Feb 2021, this will be ultimate days for you. Again, you will be sky high, and you will enter in a new business horizon. You may start something new business, or someone new friend or someone new business associate will enter in your life as your business partner, and that relationship will turn in a very good situation in the terms of business. Personal relationship will be rise. This time when you will be sky high and top, good fortune started smile for you. Your mud will become turn, and your all pending work will be click. You will be sky high, you will be top, and your energy level will take you on another height. This is a highly productive days from 24th of December 2020 to 22nd of Feb 2021. If you want to start new business, you can start. If you want to involve any type of government related contract, you may involve this, and higher authority will give you a lot of support. If you want to any type of loan, then your loan will be click, or your loan will be granted. Overall, Leo Sanders, this is a highly productive time when Mars transit in your 9th house, and when Mars transit in your 8th house, you need to be careful about your health, about your deeds. This is a time when your work will be delayed, when Mars will be in 8th house, and when Mars will be in 9th house, your all work will be click, and you will enjoy your life. You will enjoy all type of comforts, financially and personally life you will enjoy, and this is the time when you will top, when you will sky high. Now I am going to talk about Virgo ascendants. For Virgo ascendants, Mars started transit in your 8th house from 16th August 2020 to 4th of October 2020, and from 10th September it will be retrograde in your 8th house. So guys, you need to be careful about your health. This is not very productive transit for you in your 8th house. You may affected from some blood related issues, blood related or urine related infection seen in your transit. You need to be careful. If Mars is well placed in your birth chart, then no need to worry. If Mars is not placed well in your birth chart, then this is a matter of concern, and you need to be careful about your health. BP related trouble will also irritate you. You can say blood pressure related problems or blood infection is seen in your chart, but you may get some hidden knowledge, you may get some hidden money. If you are already investing your money in stock market or intraday, then this transit in 8th house will give you some small profits, because this is also a house of your hidden gains and hidden knowledge. So Mars is an on sign in your 8th house, will give you some small benefit, but you need to be careful about your health. Please don't be arrogant nature. Don't try to make a good relation with everyone. Keep polite with everyone. Be humble. Be down to earth. Then you will face this time very nicely. Otherwise, you will be a part of any litigation. You will be involved in any type of tension or depression. So from 4th of October to 14th November, Mars will be direct in your 8th house. This is a little bit game changer period for you, but not very beneficial, because Mars is in your 8th house. Then Mars again transit in your, sorry, I think I'm wrong. For Virgo ascendants, Mars again transit in your 7th house. This will be a very good period for you when you involve in a new partnership, when new person will enter in your life, and your daily income will be grow. Your daily income will grow when Mars will be in Pisces. You need to be careful because this is a time when one of your near and dear may start a new business with you, or may involve any type of business with you, or give you any advice related to your business or related to your source of earning. Your source of earning will be developed. You can earn a lot of money from multiple sources when Mars will be in Pisces in your 7th house. Partnership is for sure. You need to be careful relationship with your spouse because this is not a very good time. And then again from 24th December to 22nd of Feb, Mars enter in your 8th house in Aries sign. You need to be careful about your health and relationship with your partners, with your loved one and your friends. Don't use any harsh word. This is not a very productive time, but you will definitely get some small gains from your old investments. Now I'm going to talk about Libra ascendants. For Libra ascendants, Mars enter in your 7th house from 16th August to 4th of October. From 16th August 2020 to 10th of September 2020, it will be direct, and from 10th of September 2020 on 3rd to 4th degree, it will be retrograde till 4th October. It will be retrograde and enter in Pisces. So first of all, I predict as per 7th house Mars transit in Aries sign for Libra. Libra, for you will get involved in any new business. Some type of new business partnership will knock you, or if you are already businessman, you will get a lot of profits. Lot of new things will knock you and lot of new peoples will enter in your life. Your business will get promoted, but relationship with your spouse will be matter of concern. You need to be careful relationship with your spouse, because this is a don't be a part of any arguments with your family member or with your spouse, because your relationship with your life partner will be matter of concern during this period. And from 4th of October, when Mars enter in your Pisces sign in your 6th house, this is a very good position of Mars. You will get a lot of finances, you will get a lot of gains from government. Even government will give you if new opportunity. Even if you are willing to take loan from government side, then your loan will be click and you will expand your business, you will expand your horizon, your business will be expand a lot, because 6th house Mars transit is very good for you. If you have elder siblings, then you must take blessings of your brothers or your elder siblings. That will be act like a game changer for you. Mars transit in your 7th house and Mars transit in your 6th house will give you a lot of achievements, fame, prosperity, lot of abundance of money. But you need to focus on your work and keep calm and don't create any issue in your personal life. Try to make a good relationship with your loved one, especially with your wife. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants. Scorpio ascendants, being a lot of your first house, Mars transit in your 6th house from 16th August to 4th of October, and from 10th September it will be retrograde on 3 degree till 4th of October, and 4th of October it will be entering Pisces. First of all, I'm going to predict about Mars transit in your 6th house in on sign. This is an ultimate period for you when someone foreigner will enter in your life and you may start a new business venture with them, and your old debts will be clear. If you are under debts, your old debts will automatically clear, or if you willing to take new loan from government side, your loan will be cleared. This is a time when you will be top, when you will be sky high. You will dominate your enemies, and your enemies is not able to harm you. You will enjoy a lot of good benefits, comforts, and very good life during Mars transit in Aries sign. But you need to be careful about related to your behavior, like you behave sometimes very arrogance, or sometimes you act like a very you can say stubborn nature. So try to be polite and humble. This is not a time when you show your arrogancy or stubborn nature. Overall, this transit will give you a lot of gains, success, and some foreigners came in your life, or there is a strong chances you may get in touch with foreigners and they become your business partners. And from 4th of October, when Mars enter in your 5th house, you will get a lot of profits from stock market of intraday and your name and fame. If you are in love affair, you need to be careful about your love affair, because that will be a matter of concern. Some dispute is also seen with your loved one. And after 24th of December, Mars again enter in your 6th house till 22nd of Feb 2021. This will be a game changer time for you, when you will be when you will be on top, when you will be sky high. You will enjoy new type, very positive and new type of energy. Your willpower will be sky high, and you will be create some different things through to your strong willpower, through to your courage, your braveness. And if you are in government job, you may get promoted. If you are in business, your business will be promoted in foreign land, or you may travel in foreign land due to your business related activities, and that will be a very productive journeys for you. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. Sagittarius ascendants, Mars started transit in your fifth house from 16th August to 4th of October. From 16th August, it will be retrograde till 10th of September, and 10th of September on 3 degree, it will be retrograde till 4th of October in Pisces sign in retrograde, and then again enter in your Pisces sign in your 4th house. So guys, as per dynamics position, Sagittarius, Mars in Aries sign, especially for you in 5th house, you will enjoy a lot of benefits. You will get promoted, you may switch off your job, you will get good gains from your old investments, your friends will give you a lot of good advice, you will enter in a new horizon. Unmarried people may get in touch with companion or good life partner. They may get in touch with new girlfriends or new girls, opposite gender will attract from them. And Sagittarius, Mars is in 5th house, will give you unexpected gains. Your income or your earning will rise. If you're a businessman, you will you will sign new contract, you will be a part of new deal that will be linked with the foreign land. If you are in business, then your seniors will be satisfied from your performance, and you may get promoted. This is the ultimate time from you. And from 4th October, when Mars again retrograde motion and enter in your Pisces in the 4th house, you need to be careful about your mother health. A relationship with your mother, matter of concern. Health of your mother will matter of concern. Please concentrate on your daily routines and try to be polite and humble with your mother. Don't create any issue, don't create any arguments at your life, especially with your mother or wife, because this is not a good transit in 4th house. You will create you will be very stubborn, and you will be very arrogant nature. This will create some problem relationship between you and your mother. So again, 24th December to 22nd of Feb 2021, Mars entering your 5th house, you will get gains from unexpected money. If you are already investing your money in stock market, then this is a time you will get bundles of knowledge, you will get bundles of gain, and if you are not investing your money in stock market, you must invest, because this is a time when your investment will be double, and you will be top, and you will be sky high, and new business partners will knock you, and you take your business partners very seriously. If you take your business partner very seriously, then you must win something big during this transit. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants. For Capricorn ascendants, Mars transit in your 4th house, and from 16th August to 4th of October. And then again Mars enter in your 3rd house from 4th October to 24th of December 2020. So first of all, when Mars will be in your 4th house, you need to be careful relationship with your mother, and your domestic atmosphere will be affected. Relationship with your spouse, relationship with your mother will be affected. You will be a part of any litigation. Your health is not very promising. You need to be careful about your health and be positive, and must start yoga. And from 4th of October, when Mars enter in your Pisces sign in your 3rd house, this will be a game changer period for you. 3rd house, when Mars transit, you will feel very positive energy. Your willpower will be on another side, and you will contract any you will sign any new contract, and you will be a part of any new deal, and that will be game changer for you. Your source of earning will be rise. You will be earn a lot of money from multiple sources, and your younger siblings will support you. Some short distance journeys also seen in your transit if birth chart Mars plays in well position, or if you have a Mars Mahadasha or Antardasha, then when Mars enter in your 3rd house, you will be top, you will be sky high, and your confidence level will be on another height, and your unexpected gains knock you, new opportunities will knock you, and your younger siblings will give you some type of good energy, or you can say some type of good advice, which will be act like a game changer for you. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. Aquarius ascendants, Mars transit in your 3rd house from 16th August to 4th of October. From 10th September to 4th of October, it will be retrograde in your 3rd house. Mars transit in third house is one of the ultimate transit for Aquarius. Aquarius, you will involve in a new business venture. Short distance and long distance journey will be very fruitful for you. Your younger siblings will help you a lot, or your new friends will make your life easy, or give you a very good support, or give you a very good advice, which will be act like a game changer for you. Aquarius ascendants, Mars is in third house. Your confidence level will be on another height. You will enjoy all type of comforts, benefits, materialistic gains are also seen, and due to your strong willpower and your strong confidence level, you will be top, you will be rise a lot. And from 24th of December to 22nd of Feb 2021, uh, Mars enter in again your second house. Mars enter in your again in second house from 4th October to 14th November. So this period again money will knock you, your savings will rise, and you will enter in a new business opportunities, and your younger siblings and your family will support you. And this period, when you become very arrogant, you become very stubborn, but overall money came from multiple sources, and your savings will be rise, and you will be sky highs. You need to be careful about your health during this transit from 4th October to 14th November. And after that, 24th December to 22nd of Feb 2020, Mars again your third house. This will be a ultimate time for you, when you will be top, you will be sky high, and you will enjoy all type of comforts, and you will get support from higher authority. You may, if you apply your loan will be clicked. You may buy new vehicle, you may enter in a new business horizon, you may travel in a foreign country, and that travel will be very productive and very fruitful for you. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. For Pisces ascendants, Mars started transit in your second house from 16th August to 4th of October 2020, and it will be retrograde from 10th September to 4th of October. 4th October, it will be enter in Pisces. First of all, I predicted you Mars transit in Aries sign. It's a second house from your ascendants, his own sign. One of the ultimate transit for you from 16th August. Money will knock you, your savings will rise, you will get lot of source of earning, and your younger siblings and your elder siblings will support you, your family will support you, and due to your family support, you will do something big. This is a time when you will sky high, when you get promoted, when family will appreciate you, when your hard work will pay off you. You will be enjoy all around success from 16th April to 4th of October. And from 4th of October to 24th of December, Mars enter in your first house. This is also very productive time for you, in the terms of money, in the terms of finance, in the terms of reputation, in the terms of family atmosphere, in the terms of new plannings. You will be sky high, you will be top. But one thing is negative, you need to be careful about your health. Some blood related trouble will irritate you, but that is very minor. No need to worry about your health. Overall, this Mars transit from 16th August to 22nd of Feb 2021 is a highly productive and beneficial time for you. When you enter in a new business horizons, and you may start your own business, and you may travel in foreign land linked to your business, and that foreign journeys will give you lot of profits. Your family will support you, your friends will support you, you will have a lot of great willpower, and your energy level will be on another height. Pisces, if you want to do something, then this is a golden period for you. You must start some new business, you can start some new business, and you will be top. And if you have any partnership opportunity, you must think about that partnership opportunity, because that will be a very good for you. Now I'm going to talk about something related to Mars. Guys, if you have a Mars Mahadasha, if you have a Mars Antardasha in your birth chart, then my all prediction are apply on you 80%. If you don't have any Mahadasha of Antardasha of Mars, but Mars is your ruling planet, like for Aries ascendants, Scorpio ascendants, Cancer ascendants, Leo ascendants, like this, Mars is a ruling planet, Mars is a beneficial planet for you, then it will give you the 50% results. And if Mars is not a ruling planet to you, then it will give you the only 20% benefits. So you need to check, do you have Mars Mahadasha right now? Do you have Mars Antardasha right now, or is Mars is a beneficial planet of you or not? Is Mars is linked with your first house, fifth house, ninth house? You need to check all these things and then you plan your life, because this is a very long transit of Mars. Keep watching astrologer Amit Kapoor. I am praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.